Hey guys, today I'm going to show you the tools that I use most of the time. If you'd like to inquire a tool that you don't see in this video, leave me a comment below. The first work stand I had is a folding stand. It lifts only the back wheel and it doesn't have a clamp. The new work stand I have now is much stronger. It lifts the whole bike off the ground, and the clamp is fully adjustable. The 3-way hex wrench is a handy tool. It features 4, 5 and 6 mm hex set. The ratchet with hex socket sets not only removes the nuts and bolts easily, but is compatible with bottom bracket tools, so that you could loosen or tighten at very high torque. Different types of bottom bracket require different types of tool. Make sure to get the right tool for the right bottom bracket. To remove the crank, you need a crank puller. To remove and reinstall a cassette, you need a chain whip and lock ring removal tool. The chainring nut wrench holds the nut on the back to prevent it from moving. You will need to shorten the chain. Remove the chain links with the chain remover. Is the wheel off center? Fix and adjust the tension with the tooling stand and spoke wrench. Cutters and pliers. You need cutters to cut the cables and housing to size.